Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to Varda's Cuisine. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. If you already subscribed, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Today we're going to start with a easy and quick recipe of a potato and a eggplant. Very quick and easy recipe. Today we're going to make a potato and eggplant vegetable without tomato. Yes, without tomato. Here we have simple spices: 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I take 1 onion, slice the onion, 7 to 8 green chilies. Instead of green chilies, you can use red chili powder. Now I have 2 potatoes cut into the tube shape, and the new ingredient that you can do added instead of tomato, that is desiccated coconut. 4 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Sorry for the fumble, it's desiccated coconut, so sorry. So here I take some eggplants. You can take 4 to 5 6 eggplants and just cut into desired shape. After that, I'm to take 4 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, and we're going to roast it on low flame because it gives very good fragrance and taste to your vegetable when you add it. And please like and share my video as well. I hope you're liking my video. If I made any mistake, so just ignore that and follow my recipe. And if you want to learn any other recipe, let me know in the comment. I hope you're liking my videos. So here I'm roasting the desiccated coconut on low flame because you're going to use it instead of the tomato, so it helps to thick your gravy and give very good taste. Now here in the vessel I'm going to take a half cup of oil. I take more amount of oil because coconut will be absorb the oil. Okay, on medium flame I'm taking half cup of oil. After that, we're going to add the sliced onion in it and fry the onion until it turns golden brown. It's a quick, simple, and easy recipe. You can make it, and it's a very turn out very delicious. So here I'm frying the onion until it turns golden brown. Now it's ready. You can see I'm just take it out on the paper towel or a tissue paper. When you try this recipe, everyone will like it surely. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. In the next coming videos, I will also share some easy and quick recipe. Now here I take a blender jar. In the blender jar, I'm going to add chop the green chilies, 5 to 6 green chilies that I'm going to chop it and into the blender jar. Next, the onion. I added the fried onions, 4 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. These 3 ingredients I'm going to add into the blending jar with half cup of water. You can see all 3 ingredients are in the blending jar. Now I'm going to blend it to make a paste of these ingredients. So quickly blend it in the blending jar. Here I am adding the paste that I make it of fried onions, green chilies, and a desiccated coconut that I roasted, 4 tablespoon. Now we have to cook that until it changes its color and release the oil. Here I'm going to add the spices: 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of the coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After that, you're going to add the salt according to your taste. Here I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can add the salt according to your taste, or you can, instead of green chilies, I said, you can add the red chili powder or a paprika powder that you can add, so it will give good color to your gravy. So here I'm adding the salt on low flame. I'm going to cook it, not on high flame. Now here I'm adding a 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. You can skip that, it is not necessary. You can add, it's optional. We have to cook this gravy on low flame because if we cook it on high flame, it will burn. So on low flame, continuously stir the spoon and cook this gravy, and when it's releasing the oil, it means it's done. Now you can add the veggies into it, that are potato and the eggplant. First you will add the potatoes. Here I add the potatoes, cook it and add half cup of water. Now I cover with the lid for at least 5 to 10 minutes, so my potato will be half done. uh, Eggplant will not take much time to cook as compared to the potatoes. So you can see my potatoes are half done. Now time to add the eggplants. Here I'm adding it because it will tender and cook very quickly as compared to the potato. So here I'm adding the eggplants. Now cover the lid for at least 5 to 10 minutes, so our eggplant will be turned soft. Here I take tamarind puree, 1 cup or a half cup you can take it, and 1 green chili that I slated. Okay, now cover it with the lid for at least 10 minutes. Now you can see our eggplant and potato vegetable gravy is ready. You can see the texture, it is really delicious and yummy. Please try it and let me know in the comment.